Hello to all artists. Today I'll show you how to draw and color this convertible. To make sure the drawing is straight, I use a ruler and draw a very long line. This is the ground on which the car stands. We start our convertible at the bottom with the car tires and then continue drawing upwards. To make sure my car tires are perfectly round, I use a round object to help me draw a perfectly straight circle. Next we draw the floor of the convertible. We start at the rear of the car. Then we draw an arc around the left tire. After that we draw the center of the floor. Then we draw another arc around the right tire. And finally we draw the floor from the front of the car. Now we move up a little and draw the front of the convertible car. And right after that we'll draw the hood. Now we will draw the side mirror. Then we draw a long horizontal line from the mirror to the rear of the car. Now let's draw the trunk and rear end. Now let's draw the rear light. And a little further down we draw the license plate. Now draw a narrow strip at the bottom of the rear. Do the same at the bottom of the car in the middle. Now let's draw the door of the convertible. And we also draw a door handle. Above the door handle we draw a car seat. And a little further to the left, we draw the body bracket on which the roof rests when the convertible is closed. Next we draw the windshield with the frame of the car body. Then we draw the steering wheel. After that we draw the rear car seat and extend the trunk. Next we'll embellish the car tires and turn the simple circle into a beautiful car tire. To do this we first draw a smaller circle inside the first one, and then we draw a star inside it. We repeat the same process for the right-hand tire. And finally we draw the front headlight. Now our convertible is finished and you can color your picture. I hope this car wasn't too difficult for you and that your picture turned out well. In the next part of the video I'll quickly show you how I colored my drawing. I hope you enjoyed my video and that you'll join me again for the next one. See you soon.